So I matched with this guy on Hinge and we started talking normally. And then all of a sudden he was like, "Oh, let's catch up." मैंने कहा ठीक है, weekend I was free. And then he was like, "Why don't you come over?" And I told him that I don't do first dates as an indoor. I prefer meeting somebody outside initially. So then he gave me a reason कि oh, उसका dog is alone and he's babysitting him and he can't like step out ऐसे because he's home alone. So मुझे लगा ठीक है, probably it's genuine. So I was like ठीक है, we can then probably catch up next weekend. And I asked him, where do you put up? He said somewhere in South Delhi. And then I was like, oh my god, that's really far from my place. So I don't think वो possible फिर भी होता that we would have met today. So then he's like, oh, I would have sent my driver to pick you up. I was like, okay, ठीक है, that's very sweet, but it's okay, we can wait till next weekend. So we connected over Instagram and he kept on saying that, oh, I might look the harami types, but I'm genuinely looking out for something serious. And when I connected with him over Instagram, I realized that he was actually babysitting his dog. So मुझे लगा ठीक है, probably he is genuine and he honestly could not like step out of the house उस दिन. So हम ऐसे बातें करने लग गए. We spoke for like 3-4 days and for some reason he kept on sending me shirtless photos. I don't know why. I mean, it did felt like a red flag, but then I was like, ठीक है, probably he's too obsessed with his body and his gym and everything. So apart from being obsessed with the shirtless picture, he was also very proud of living in South Delhi. I mean, ठीक है, it's okay, बहुत लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पे. बट बिकॉज हमारी बातचीत थोड़ी नॉर्मल लेवल पे ही चल रही थी, आई इग्नोर्ड ऑल दीज रेड फ्लैग्स, ऑरेंज फ्लैग्स, वॉट एवर. एंड वन डे आई हैड अ वेरी बैड डे एट वर्क. तो मैंने उससे कॉल करा शाम को एंड आई स्टार्ट ब्लैबरिंग अबाउट माई एंटायर डे. एंड देन मैंने फ़ोन रखा एंड देन ही मैसेजेस मी, वुड यू लाइक टू हैव अ डिज़र्ट. एंड आई वॉज लाइक वाओ, हाउ स्वीट ऑफ हिम कि चलो मेरा दिन इतना बुरा गया है, प्रॉब्ली ही इज़ जस्ट asking if I want to have something nice to make me feel better. And मेरे कुछ लिखने से पहले उसने मुझे अपनी एक और shirtless photo भेज दी. And I was like, what the hell, dude? Like, I don't want to see your shirtless picture. Like, stop being so obsessed. इतनी अच्छी तो body है भी नहीं तुम्हारी. And then he messages me after like 2 days that, oh, by the way, I changed my mind and I'm looking for casual only. Let me know if you're interested. I was like, dude, no. I think I had made myself clear the first day and मेरा mind flicker नहीं करता है ऐसे.